solve this question. A garage owner bought petrol and diesel in the month of May and June. So this is given that a garage owner bought petrol and diesel in the month of May and June. The cost of petrol and diesel increased by 37.5% and 26.66% respectively in the month of June. So the price of petrol, let's just write the cost for petrol and diesel for each month. Cost of petrol has increased by 37.5%. 37.5% increase correspond to 11 by 8 infractions. So the cost earlier was 8x in May, now it has become how much? 11x. And for diesel the increase is of 26.66%, and this 26.66% increase, it means 6.66 into 4, that is 1/15 into 4, 4 by 15. Increase means 19 by 15. So the cost initially, the cost of diesel in May was 15 by, now it has become 19 by in June. Second, it is given in the month of June, the garage owner bought 16 liters of petrol. So the quantity of petrol bought in June by the garage owner is given me as 16 liters and 45 liters of diesel. So in the month of June, 45 liters of diesel is bought, such that the amount spent on buying petrol in the month of May was equal to the amount spent on buying petrol in the month of June. So the expenditure in June in this month is equal to expenditure on petrol in previous month. So expenditure in this month June would be, cost of petrol is 11x and quantity bought is 16, so 176x would be the expenditure. Now this must be the expenditure in May also. So in May expenditure is same as June, which is 176x. Now I can easily find the quantity bought in May, which is expenditure divided by cost. It is how much? 2 times 16, 2 times 16. So 22 liters of petrol was bought in May month by the garage owner. Now it is given, and the same was true for diesel as well. So the expenditure of diesel in month of June is given me as equal with the month of previous month, expenditure of previous month, that is May. So in month June, total expenditure for diesel was this is 45 into 19y, that is 900 minus 45 or 855y. This is the expenditure for diesel in June. It must be equal to expenditure of diesel in May, so it must be 855y. So the quantity of diesel bought in May was how much? Divide this expression by 15y, so it becomes 15 5 times and 15 7 times. So 57 liters of diesel was bought in May. Now it is asked, what was the total quantity of petrol and diesel bought by the garage owner in month of May? I need to find this total of quantity of diesel and petrol bought in month of May. That is 57 plus 22, 79 liters of petrol and diesel was bought in month of May. Correct answer to this question is 79 liters. Next.